सो पहले तो देखते हैं कि व्हाई वी नीड टू डू और हाउ, है ना, हाउ इट इज़ रियली गोइंग टू हेल्प अस, व्हाट ऑल फैक्टर्स वी आर गोइंग टू कवर व्हेन वी से कि हमको ट्रेंड देखना चाहिए, तो ट्रेंड में हमें क्यों देखना चाहिए और किस पर्पस के लिए देखना चाहिए। या सो बेसिस ऑन आवर अंडरस्टैंडिंग, ये 3 इंपॉर्टेंट फैक्टर्स होते हैं। दीज आर द 3 इंपॉर्टेंट फैक्टर्स फॉर द पर्पस any of your task, anything you take in your life, you have to, if you really want to see the trend, these are the important 3 facts for the purpose you are checking the trend. One is the flow, because we want to see that कि how the things are moving and in which flow the things are moving, है ना। अगर हम ग्राफ बनाते हैं, in case if you are watching a performance of 1 year, so every month or every day how the flow is moving, that is the purpose to check कि सही चल रहा है, up and down चल रहा है, straight चल रहा है ना, incline चल रहा है, decline चल रहा है। So that flow is really giving us a sense that either we are on the right path or on a flat path or on a decline path. Second, very important, that if you really want to compare everything basis on our current situations, so आज हमारी situations क्या हैं और someone else in the competition we have, if compared to someone, किसी और से comparison करना है with ourselves or with someone else, we need to have that comparison, and what should be that basics of comparison, that also we'll try to cover. And third important factor is, if you are going for a trend option or trend analysis, the basic and last or final objective is to find that right gaps where the things are going wrong, how we can pick that right spot where the things are moving wrong and we can fix it. Yeah, so ये 3 important factor है। एक flow देखना, second comparison को check करना, and third is to find the right gaps. So अगर हमको gap पता है, so we can really reach to the right spot and correct it. अगर उसको थोड़ा सा और डिटेल में देखें, so when we check this, है ना, in the business, क्योंकि फ्लो और कंपैरिजन और गैप्स तो हम किसी भी टास्क में देख सकते हैं, वी कैन चेक इन एनी ऑफ द ऑप्शंस, इवन लाइक आपके लाइफस्टाइल में देख सकते हो, आपके खुद के लाइफ में देख सकते हो, किसी भी टास्क में आप ये तीनों चीज़ें ज़रूर कंपेयर कर सकते हो। नाउ इन केस इफ फ्रॉम द पर्सपेक्टिव ऑफ बिजनेस अगर हम शुरू करते हैं, तो ये 4 पॉइंट या 4 ऑप्शंस हैं, 4 फैक्टर्स हैं जिसके ऊपर ज़्यादातर हमें देखना चाहिए। सो दोज हू आर ऑलरेडी इनटू द बिजनेस, इन केस इफ़ यू आर ऑलरेडी डूइंग सम बिजनेसेस, आई रिक्वेस्ट दैट कि अगर अभी तक नहीं कर रहे हो, अगर अभी तक ऑब्जर्व नहीं कर रहे हैं ट्रेंड, तो ये ज़रूर चेक कीजिए। फर्स्ट, योर सेल्स ट्रेंड, कि आपका करंट ट्रेंड क्या चल रहा है। मे बी इन द फर्स्ट होल, है ना, मंथ वाइज देख रहे हैं, डेली देख रहे हैं, वीकली देख रहे हैं, दैट इज़ ऑल डिपेंड ऑन द बिजनेस साइज एंड बिजनेस नीड्स एंड रिक्वायरमेंट। बट सेल्स का ट्रेंड क्या चल रहा है, दैट इज़ समथिंग विच नीड टू ऑब्जर्व। सेकेंड, एक्सपेंसेस के ऊपर हमें ट्रेंड देखना ज़रूरी है, बिकॉज मोर वी विल ऑब्जर्व, मोर वी विल गेट द इंसाइट कि कहाँ क्या गलत जा रहा है, वेयर द थिंग्स आर गोइंग रॉन्ग, कहाँ पे प्लस हो रहा है, कहाँ माइनस हो रहा है, किस एरिया में हमें वो गैप ढूंढना आसान हो जाता है। नेक्स्ट इज द कैश फ्लो, बिकॉज दिस इज समथिंग पॉसिबली यू मस्ट बी ऑल अवेयर अबाउट। इन इंडिया, है ना, द स्टैटिस्टिक्स सेज आउट ऑफ 10 startups, only 2 startups are able to survive, and the 80% of the startups, those are failing or they are not able to make it for the next step, only because cash flow, because they are not able to manage their cash flow right. Business is not at all everything about what kind of a profit you are earning. It is also about how the money is going to come and hit in your account. So when and as you require, that much sufficient you are collecting and you are surviving. सो पैसा कितना कलेक्ट हो रहा है वो भी बहुत इंपॉर्टेंट है। और कई बार स्टार्टअप्स थोड़ा सा, है ना, शुरुआती दौर में दे गेट एक्साइटेड फॉर द प्रॉफिटेबिलिटी, फॉर द वॉल्यूम, एंड दे मिस दिस, है ना, रियल पार्ट टू अंडरस्टैंड दैट हाउ दे विल रियली मैनेज, बिकॉज रिस्क इज गुड, बट हाउ मच टू टेक दैट एपेटाइट कि कैश फ्लो एटलीस्ट इतना मिनिमम होना चाहिए कि जो आपकी मिनिमम एक्सपेंसेस है वो कवर ज़रूर हो जाए। एंड ऑफ कोर्स योर P&L ट्रेंड, so you have to observe that कि आपका P&L का ट्रेंड सही जा रहा है, because lot of times when we get excited, we feel like okay, in the first month maybe we are doing around 30% of the profit, and maybe in second month we are doing 26% of the profit, but slowly gradually with the increasing losses or with the increasing expenses, we forget that to really observe where exactly we are moving wrong. So these are the 4 important factors everyone should, at least as a CEO or as a हेड ऑफ द ऑर्गेनाइजेशन और एज ए लीड ऑफ द ऑर्गेनाइजेशन, डेली आपके टेबल पे ये रिपोर्ट तो आनी चाहिए। अगर नहीं आ रही है तो मेक अ प्रैक्टिस ऑफ इट, बिकॉज इन केस इफ यू डोंट मेक अ प्रैक्टिस ऑफ ऑब्जर्विंग योर सेल्स एवरी डे, एक्सपेंस एवरी डे, कैश फ्लो एंड P&L, समवेयर यू विल लूज द थ्रेड। ये कहीं ना कहीं वो थ्रेड छूट जाएंगे और फिर बाद में उसको कंट्रोल करना मुश्किल होता है। सो एवरी डे मेक अ प्रैक्टिस व्हेन यू स्टार्ट योर डे, एंड आई थिंक यू मस्ट हैव observed or you must have found some good CEOs and every good right leaders, they always have their day start with the reports. वो report से शुरू करते हैं अपना दिन, ताकि कल क्या हुआ था, आज क्या ट्रेंड है. So they get their very clear understanding कि जो अभी तक है वो तो ठीक है, लेकिन उसमें से हम आगे बढ़ने के लिए या आगे निकालने सॉल्यूशंस निकालने, काम करने के लिए सॉल्यूशंस कहाँ से निकालें. अदरवाइज कई लोगों को ये दुविधा होती है कि हाउ टू स्टार्ट द डे, यानी जाके ऑफिस में करना क्या है. But you really have lot to do. That is where you have. And in case if nothing is moving, you have more to do, because there is so much of things left and there is so much of gap when you need to really fix it. Second reason is your comparison. Now when we start comparison, so क्या factors पे comparison basics होनी चाहिए. Comparison तो बहुत कुछ किया जा सकता है, but these are the 4 important factors when you really work on your startup. So first is your aging, means you need to know that कि at what age, like in case of month of March or month of March में आपका last year क्या sales था, इस year या क्या sales है. So if you have that trend, you can compare with the aging that in that particular age क्या sales था, आज क्या sales है, उस particular month में क्या problem हुई थी, तो इस month में हुई या नहीं हुई है. तो you can analyze the circumstance and condition also, but at the same time you get that all reasoning that सेल्स का अप एंड डाउन सीजन बेस्ड है या फिर और कोई रीजंस है. सेकेंड इज यू आर मेकिंग अ कंपैरिजन बेसिस ऑन योर वैल्यू, क्योंकि आपको कितना नंबर्स और वॉल्यूम के ऊपर काम करना है कि उस पर्टिकुलर मंथ में मार्च में अगर मेरे 100 यूनिट सेल हुए थे, तो क्या इस मंथ में भी मैंने 100 यूनिट सेल किए हैं विद द सेम कॉस्ट. देन यू विल रियलाइज दैट कि लास्ट ईयर क्या हुआ था, इस साल क्या हुआ था, एंड बेसिस ऑन दैट यू कैन कंपेयर योर ट्रेंड कि मैं पॉजिटिव साइड जा रहा हूँ या नेगेटिव साइड जा रहा हूँ. एंड third is your percentage. Even if sometimes because of your own strategies possibly you may be increasing your value, maybe आपका value बढ़ गया, volume बढ़ गया, but क्या are you able to maintain the same percentage, या फिर आपकी profitability गिर गई है. That also need to really take care of. कि आपको समझ में आना चाहिए कि last year मैंने समझो 1 लाख रुपीज़ का बिजनेस किया था और मेरी profitability 17% की थी, और इस साल मैंने मार्च में ही पॉसिबली 1 लाख का ही बिजनेस किया है. अगर मेरी परसेंटेज ड्रॉप हुई है, समवेयर समथिंग इज गॉन रॉन्ग. सो कई बार हम सिर्फ वैल्यू पे ज़्यादा फोकस करते हैं और कई बार हम सिर्फ नंबर्स के ऊपर फोकस करते हैं, लेकिन परसेंटेज भूल जाते हैं. एंड द नेक्स्ट इज वेरी इंपॉर्टेंट कि आपकी कंपटीशन अगर आपके पास है, देन अगर आप अगर compete कर रहे हैं मार्केट में, देन ऑफ कोर्स व्हाट इज़ योर ट्रेंड ऑफ योर कंपटीशन, दैट ऑल्सो नीड टू वेरी कीप क्लोज आई ऑन दैट कि आपके कंपटीशन किस तरीके से परफॉर्म कर रहे हैं. अगर उनकी मार्केट पोजीशन अगर आज के डेट में अगर लास्ट ईयर 70% थी और आपकी 30% थी, तो इस साल आपकी क्या उसमें ग्रोथ बढ़ी है या डिक्लाइन हुई है. अगर वो आप कंपेयर करना शुरू करेंगे, सो यू विल गेट योर रियल टारगेट कि उसको कंपेयर करके उसमें से गैप्स कैसे आइडेंटिफाई करना है और उससे आगे कैसे बढ़ना है. नाउ व्हेन वी नो दैट कि हमारे पास फ्लो है, फॉर द फ्लो वी नो दैट अनलेस वी डोंट हैव अ राइट इन्फॉर्मेशन, राइट डेटा, राइट रिपोर्ट्स, फ्लो नहीं बन सकता है. सो डेटा इज अ सोर्स फॉर दैट. अगर डेटा नहीं है तो आप ऑफकोर्स कंपैरिजन भी नहीं कर पाओगे. सो दैट इज द रीजन यू नीड टू हैव एंड स्टोर ऑल योर इन्फॉर्मेशन year wise, month wise, date wise. More the precise information you capture, more the analytics you will have, and as a lead of the organization, rather लोगों के साथ में लीड उनके साथ में बहस करने से अच्छा है या उनको क्वेश्चनिंग करने से अच्छा है, you as a lead need to dig out in your own data and understand where is their exact gap. आपको पता होना चाहिए before you address your team कि प्रॉब्लम टीम में है, प्रॉब्लम मार्केट में है, प्रॉब्लम सीजनल इश्यूज की वजह से है, सोर्सिंग का है, कॉस्ट का है, एक्सपेंसेस का है. इफ यू रियली गेट ऑन द राइट स्पॉट, आई थिंक यू कैन रियली एड्रेस योर वेल इनफ गुड टीम. अदरवाइज नॉर्मल प्रैक्टिस क्या होता है कि हम लोगों को टीम को बुलाते हैं और बम्बार्डिंग करना शुरू करते हैं कि क्यों खराब हो रहा है, क्यों गलत हो रहा है. बट एज अ CEO और एज अ लीड ऑफ द ऑर्गेनाइजेशन, इट इज़ योर रिस्पॉन्सिबिलिटी कि you understand that where the things have gone wrong, because they need your support, they need your guidance, they need your hand holding. Team is not there to just है ना कि आप जो बोले वो सिर्फ कर दे. अगर आपने सही डायरेक्शन दिया है, डेफिनेटली दे विल हेल्प. और ऑफ कोर्स अगर वो उतने स्किल्ड होते तो फिर आप टीम लीड नहीं होते. आप टीम लीड है तो आपको वो एग्जाम्पल सेट करना पड़ेगा. देन द कमिंग नेक्स्ट इज योर गैप एनालिसिस. सो गैप कहाँ कहाँ हो सकते हैं. फर्स्ट इज योर प्रोडक्ट. पॉसिबली आपकी प्रोडक्ट में प्रॉब्लम है, प्रोडक्ट सही था, प्रॉब्लम में हो गया, कंपटीशन आ गया. सो यू हैव टू अंडरस्टैंड दैट इधर द प्रॉब्लम जो गैप है वो प्रोडक्ट में है. सेकेंड, टीम का भी प्रॉब्लम हो सकता है कि पॉसिबली लास्ट ईयर यू मस्ट बी हैविंग अ गुड टीम, और मे बी मंथ वाइज भी अगर हम देख रहे हैं कि लास्ट मंथ मेरी टीम अच्छी थी, कोई एक बंदा छोड़ के चला गया. सो यू हैव टू नो दैट द फैक्ट कि व्हाट इज दैट एग्जैक्ट रीजन, कि या वो प्रोडक्ट का प्रॉब्लम है, टीम का प्रॉब्लम है, सोर्स का प्रॉब्लम है, या कॉस्ट का प्रॉब्लम है. सो मेजरली दीज आर द 4 इंपॉर्टेंट फैक्टर्स विच नॉर्मली एवरी इंडिविजुअल और एवरी लीडर शुड चेक ऑन डेली बेसिस कि मेरा क्या चल रहा है. क्योंकि आपका प्रोडक्ट आपके कंट्रोल में है, टीम आपकी रिस्पॉन्सिबिलिटी है, सोर्स आप रिस्पॉन्सिबल हो, और कॉस्ट का मैनेजमेंट इज अगेन ऑन योर रिस्पॉन्सिबिलिटी. रेस्ट एग्जीक्यूशन इज ऑन द टीम साइड, बट टेकिंग द डिसीजन, comparing the problem, finding the gap is your responsibility and you have to deliver on that. So ट्रेंड इतना इंपॉर्टेंट है क्योंकि वो आपकी जॉब का सबसे बड़ा रोल माना जाता है. नाउ अगर हम डिटेल में जाते हैं एक कुछ और सब्जेक्ट्स, इसको एक एक 1 by 1 देखने के लिए, क्योंकि सब्जेक्ट बहुत बड़ा है. बट अगर हम सेल्स ट्रेंड में कुछ ऑप्शंस देखें कि क्यों सेल्स ट्रेंड और क्या क्या चीज़ें चेक करनी चाहिए. सो फर्स्ट तो ऑफकोर्स क्वांटिटी की बात आती है कि व्हाट काइंड ऑफ अ नंबर्स वी आर डूइंग. सो सेल्स की क्वांटिटी का अगर आप ट्रेंड का कंपैरिजन कर रहे हो या फिर एनालिसिस कर रहे हो, सो आपको अंडरस्टैंड होगा कि कहाँ पे कम कहाँ पे ज़्यादा, और वो फ्लो आपको समझ में आ जाएगा. सेकेंड, सेल्स का रेवेन्यू, ऑफ कोर्स बिकॉज वॉल्यूम नंबर्स कितना बढ़ रहा है, इफ़ यू डोंट नो. और ये बड़ा ही अनफॉर्चुनेट है कि आप है ना बहुत सारे शोज़ भी देखते होंगे, और कई ऐसे ऑब्जर्वेशन से आते हैं कि इन्वेस्टर्स और फाउंडर्स आते हैं प्लेटफॉर्म पे अपनी पूरी इन्वेस्टर्स को पिच करने के लिए, इन्वेस्टमेंट पिच करने के लिए, लेकिन उनको अपना बिजनेस का रेवेन्यू नहीं पता होता कि लास्ट 6 महीने में कितना बिजनेस किया है. अपने आप को रोज़ क्वेश्चन कीजिए कि मेरे बिजनेस का रेवेन्यू कितना है, कितना मेरा टॉप लाइन है, कितना मेरा बॉटम लाइन है, और आपको वो नंबर टिप्स पे होने चाहिए. बिकॉज एज ए लीड ऑफ द ऑर्गेनाइजेशन, आपको अगर आपका सेल्स नंबर और आपका सेल्स रेवेन्यू नहीं पता है, देन ऑब्वियसली देयर इज़ अ बिग प्रॉब्लम. कि अगर आपको पता ही नहीं है कि कहाँ है ना ऑन ग्राउंड क्या चल रहा है, देन ऑफ कोर्स देयर इज़ नो वे कि आप उसको फिक्स भी कर पाए. सो रेवेन्यू आपको पता होना चाहिए कि डेली मेरा ट्रेंड क्या चल रहा है, मंथ वाइज क्या हो रहा है, और उसके आगे के फ्लोज प्लस माइनसेस क्यों जा रहे हैं. देन इम्पैक्ट ऑफ मंथ. अब यहाँ पे हर महीने आपको अंदाज़ा होना चाहिए कि मेरी बिजनेस का ट्रेंड किस तरीके से मंथ वाइज चेंज होता है, और हर मंथ का उसमें इम्पैक्ट क्या होता है. पॉसिबली इन मंथ ऑफ फरवरी बिकॉज ऑफ द शॉर्ट है ना मंथ, 28 का मंथ होता है, 29 का मंथ होता है, तो पॉसिबली मेरा वॉल्यूम और मेरा रेवेन्यू उस मंथ में कम होगा, बट मेरे एक्सपेंसेस सेम ही रहेंगे. सो यू हैव टू फिगर इट आउट फ्रॉम योर ओन थॉट, है ना, ओन प्लानिंग, कि उस महीने में मैं किस तरीके से वर्कआउट करूँ कि मेरा पर डे जो मेरा टारगेट है वो परसेंटेज वाइज बढ़ जाए. सिमिलरली हर मंथ का अलग अलग अपना ये रीजंस होगा कि उसमें कम है, ज़्यादा है. हर एक बिजनेस का अपना एक रीज़न होगा. एवरी बिजनेस वुड बी हैविंग ओन देयर है ना पैटर्न एंड रीजंस, की सीजनल कुछ इम्पैक्ट होगा, फेस्टिवल इम्पैक्ट होगा. दैट नीड टू बी हैव वेरी क्लियरली इन योर टिप्स, कि मुझे पता है कि लास्ट मंथ फरवरी में ये था और दिस मंथ फरवरी में ये हो सकता है. So that gives you a lot of empowerment that you know that your business is what and where going. Impact of seasons. You should know as an Indian business and as an Indian startup owner or as a business person, if you don't know, if you are a national brand or if you are in a specific region also, अगर आपके business के आपके specific area के आपको seasons नहीं पता है, if you don't know when the festivals start, you don't know what kind of a weather condition is going to impact on your business, something is somewhere missing, you are losing something. So understand that what all seasonal and festival impact is going to happen on your sales and on your business. And if you don't know, you need to know that, because it is going to give you a lot of answers of whatever gaps you have. Because हर चीज़ सिर्फ on paper practical है ना, on paper numbers में नहीं मिलेगी. You will get lot of answers from the field and from the people also. So impact of season and impact of team. There will be lot of possibility. It is because of your team or because of your month effect or some other decisions, but possibly team का भी impact हो सकता है कि in particular month you must be having good attendance, in some month you don't have a good attendance, possibly one of your good person has taken a leave during that period, he is not well. What is that reason? You should know that. I always say everyone that if you are doing a business, two things you need to know very clearly, that कि आपका business खराब हो रहा है तो क्यों खराब हो रहा है, और इन केस इफ़ यू आर रियली गोइंग वेल, अगर आपका बिजनेस अच्छा चल रहा है, एट दैट टाइम ऑल्सो यू शुड क्लियरली नो दैट विच आर दोज इंपॉर्टेंट फैक्टर विच इज़ रियली हेल्पिंग यू टू ग्रो. many times when the things are really going well, we are all getting casual and we are not bothered कि क्यों अच्छा हो रहा है, and suddenly one ना someday comes arrive that कि business वापस से कम होने लगता है और हमको पता ही नहीं होता कि क्यों कम हो रहा है. So it should not be basis on a fluke, it should be basis on the actual factors, and you should know that ki which are those important factors. So even if something goes wrong in that, you can really work on it and make it back on the track. So impact of team, impact of your season, impact of your month और आपके sales quantity और revenue हमेशा tips पे रखिए. Yeah, that will help you. Then the expenses बहुत important है, ये रोज का काम है. Sales और expenses रोज देखना चाहिए. अब हेड वाइज देखना बहुत इंपॉर्टेंट है. कई बार हम लोग सिर्फ ओवरऑल देख लेते हैं कि हाँ चलो टोटल मेरा एक्सपेंस कितना चल रहा है, बट एवरी टाइम इफ यू आर कीपिंग अ वीकली सेशन और मे बी एनी फ्रीक्वेंसी यू आर कीपिंग, बट एटलीस्ट चेक हेड वाइज ऑल दैट कंपैरिजन, ईदर योर एक्सपेंसेस आर मूविंग एज पर व्हाट यू आर प्लान और बजटेड. और बजटिंग करना भी एक बहुत बड़ा आर्ट है, तो आपको हमेशा एक बजट रखना ही चाहिए. If you are not doing a budgeting, I think I will always suggest people to start making your budgets, because if you are targeting something, then only you can really see that the trend is going on right direction or comparison is going with the right or wrong side. Now the headwise if you are observing, then change in your variable cost. Variable cost ही सबसे ज़्यादा change होता है, because कुछ तो बड़े बड़े फैक्टर्स होंगे कि रेंट है, मैन पावर कॉस्ट है, ये सब कुछ इंपॉर्टेंट फैक्टर्स है. यू नो दैट बिकॉज यू आर कीपिंग सम क्लोज आई ऑन इट, बिकॉज दोज आर समथिंग विच इज अ बिग चंक ऑफ योर पाई. बट बिलीव मी, जो वेरिएबल कॉस्ट है, जो छोटे छोटे कॉस्ट है, वो इतना ज़्यादा हम लोगों को ड्रेन करता है, हमको पता भी नहीं होता है. सो इफ़ यू आर कीपिंग दैट क्लोज आई ऑन योर वेरिएबल कॉस्ट एंड मेक सम गुड प्रैक्टिसेस दैट कि हर एक्सपेंसेस को कहीं ना कहीं एक प्रोसेस ऑफ अप्रूवल के थ्रू ही फ्लो होना चाहिए. इट शुड नॉट बी गिवन दैट ओपन एंड लिबरल हैंड्स कि आप जिसको जो मर्जी आता है वो अपने हिसाब से कर रहा है. सो मेक दैट राइट प्रोसेस एंड कीप वेरी क्लोज आई ऑन योर वेरिएबल कॉस्ट. तो ये तो आपने सुना ही होगा कि अगर हम प्रॉफिट अच्छा नहीं कर रहे तो कम से कम हमारे एक्सपेंसेस को हमको मैनेज करना चाहिए ताकि लॉसेस कम किया जा सके. या ड्यूरिंग द कोविड पीरियड आई थिंक एवरीवन मस्ट हैव डन दैट कि जितने फिक्स कॉस्ट है जो हमको पता है कि नहीं अब ये शायद टाइम लगेगा इसको रिवाइव करने में, सो एवरीवन हैज़ रिड्यूस दैट ऑल फिक्स कॉस्ट और कम कर दिया ताकि हम लोग सर्वाइव कर पाएँ. अदरवाइज पता चला कि 6-7-8 महीने में ही वो कॉस्ट ही इतनी एक्यूमुलेट हो रही है. और ऐसा हुआ भी है. आई थिंक इन माई केस व्हेन वी रियलाइज दैट इन मंथ ऑफ जून दैट कि पॉसिबली दिस कोविड सिचुएशन मे गो and we have no idea how much time it is going to take. So we have surrendered our office, we have dealt with our landlord that till the time the things are not going back on the track, you can give this office to someone else, but we cannot afford this because 3 लाख का रेंट कौन पे करेगा हर महीने का, because we know that after 6 months it will be get accumulated, इतना जमा हो जाएगा कि पूरी साल भर की प्रॉफिट उनको हाथ में देनी पड़ेगी. So taking a right decision will only possible that when you are observing that on daily basis. Report and trends are really important on daily basis to check. Then the variable cost is very important. Then change in the unplanned expenses. कई महीने में हमारे बहुत सारे ऐसे प्लान हो जाते हैं, बहुत से एक्सपेंसेस ऐसे हो जाते हैं which we are not planned at all, and that is only going to possible to identify when you are budgeting it. If when you know that कि my budget is been fixed like x, so in case if I am going x plus, then somewhere it is moving wrong. And at the same time if you are observing the trend, that time you will be able to figure it out that these are the heads which are going smooth, and in some of the cases if it is shooting furthermore, then this is something unplanned. You can question and you can rectify that कि इसको करना है नहीं करना है. अगर हो चुका है so वो repeat ना हो. But अगर वो 6 महीने के बाद पता चल रहा है और आपका CA आपको बता रहा है, that is something shows that you don't have a complete control on your business. And even though if you are a big company, even if you are doing a 50 crore worth business or 100 crore, this is the basics. If you don't have a right control on daily basis on your table, people will take advantage and you will lose control on it. So even it is a big company or small company, even a limited companies does have this practice. All the heads are really getting all their right reports on daily basis on their table, and the day starts with the reports. Yeah, that's the practice we have to also take as a corporate function. Impact of season also in the sales and in the expenses, क्योंकि seasons की वजह से होगा. कभी आपको है ना बोनस देना है या फिर है ना कुछ seasons में आपको पता है कि expenses ज़्यादा करने हैं, marketing cost बढ़ेगी. So that you should know that कि yes इस month में बढ़ने वाला है. Basis on that you will plan your projections, and basis on that you will even plan your cash flow also. सो कैश फ्लो भी उसी हिसाब से आप मैनेज कर पाएंगे। एंड इम्पैक्ट ऑन पीएनएल, सो आपका पीएनएल का इम्पैक्ट भी आपको अंदाजा आएगा। सो एवरेज आउट करके मत देखिए, क्योंकि कैश फ्लो पे इसका बहुत बड़ा इम्पैक्ट आता है। बिकॉज मेनी टाइम्स वी ऑब्जर्व दैट कि हम बिजनेस के फ्लो में इतने सही रहते हैं कि वी आर ऑल कीन एंड ट्राइंग टू गेट ऑल गुड नंबर्स, और हम क्रेडिट भी दे देते हैं सॉल्यूशंस निकालने के लिए। बट सडनली एक सीजन के बाद में पता चलता है कि एक्सपेंसेस बहुत ज़्यादा हो गई हैं, वी हैव ऑलरेडी स्पेंड ह्यूज, एंड आफ्टर दैट immediate after the season we feel that ki okay, the credit is already in the market, we are not in the position to collect it back, and we are taking all hit on the cash flow. So that balance is very important, and if you have that budgeting in your place, then you will completely knowing that what kind of a cash would be required to survive, and basis on that you will manage your credit balance and credit support to your team. Yeah, so that is expense trend analysis, like cash flow trend. So ये बहुत इंपॉर्टेंट फैक्टर है कैश फ्लो के लिए। एवरी वन इज आई थिंक इन एवरी अक्रॉस द ग्लोब कोई भी अच्छा बिजनेस है सिर्फ इस प्रॉब्लम की वजह से फंस जाता है कि पैसा नहीं है। और पैसा इसलिए नहीं है कि हम लोगों को पैसा मिलता नहीं है, द प्रॉब्लम इज वी आर नॉट keen to manage our funds well. So if you get this grip very strongly from the day one on your business कि cash flow मुझे manage करना है, I can guarantee you that you will never face problem on the survival side. अब आपको पता होगा कि मेरा मंथली रिक्वायर्ड क्या है, मेरी 2 महीने 3 महीने का मेरे पास में कैश फ्लो होना चाहिए, यू विल डेफिनेटली मैच ऑन दैट। तो सबसे पहला रोज आपके सामने डेटर्स की लिस्ट आनी चाहिए विद एजिंग, दैट व्हाट काइंड ऑफ अ क्रेडिट्स यू हैव गिवन टू द मार्केट, व्हाट काइंड ऑफ अ मनी इज नीड टू बी कलेक्ट ऑन द बेसिस ऑफ योर ऑल डेली कलेक्शंस शेड्यूल, एंड have some very defined mechanism here that you should have something in your principle that I will not encourage anything more than 10 days or 15 days, whatever you decide. But if anything goes beyond that 5 days or 10 days or whatever alarm you are making, something you have to really work hard on it. कि आपको जिस दिन लगता है कि ये जा रहा है बाहर, and if you are not making this practice, अगर वो आप हल्ला गुल्ला नहीं मचा रहे हो, team will really get casual. तो आपको पहले दिन से from the day one, from the top, you have to make this habit that this is the maximum alarm, ना red line I am giving to every team, that 10 दिन से ऊपर चला गया तो आग लगने वाली है. Unless if you are not making that alarm, this will become a normal practice. 10 का 15, 15 का 20 और आराम से वो bad dates में convert होता है. Every day you should have that list on your table कि कितना aging का, कितना पुराना, कितना collection pending है. That is your debtor. Then team wise, ये किसका पेंडिंग है, कौन सा टीम ऐसा है ना, विच आर दोज मेंबर विच आर गिविंग मोर क्रेडिट टू द मार्केट. You should know that either someone is doing all just because of taking advantage of credit in the market. So we used to observe that कि in a corporate offices or even in my offices also, that people used to do lot of great sales, they used to give lot of benefit to the market, and later we used to know that कि they are not able to collect that money. What is the fun into that? So business is all about if you are getting cash in your hand, rest everything is virtual, nothing, that make no sense. So आपको अगर है ना उसको बैड डेट डिक्लेयर करना है, कोई मतलब नहीं बनता है. एनकरेज योर टीम दैट यू शुड कलेक्ट योर मनी ऑन द राइट टाइम एट द राइट डिफाइंड है ना प्रोसेस. सो टीम वाइज भी देखिए, दैट ऑल्सो नीड टू बी चेक. डेली कलेक्शन, प्लीज हैव दैट चेक ऑन योर डेटर लिस्ट की डेली जो एक्सपेक्ट कर रहे हैं, जो प्लान कर रहे हैं, दैट कलेक्शन इज कमिंग. Then weekly you have to really take the decisions, make a every week make a right call on this. If something is not possible to collect, take a decision and close that chapter, but unnecessarily don't try to keep that as a burden on your books. If you know that this money is going to come, keep that in your books. If you don't think it is not going to come, please vanish it, because it is going to impact and damage your whole books. Because within the month itself, अगर आप उस प्रोसेस में उसको चेंज कर लोगे, you will make good books. And there is no such any company if having a bad date और जिसका खराब परफॉर्मेंस दिख रहा है कि आप सेल्स कर रहे हो, कलेक्शन नहीं कर पा रहे हो, it is going to really come as a bad क्या कह सकते हैं reputation of the company. So better within the week, if you are taking the decisions, you will be able to really properly structure your finances and your accounts. आपको पता है ये नहीं हो सकता है, take a decisions and close it, but don't keep it linger on that कि ठीक है रखते हैं. Lot of books we have observed जहाँ पे 2-2, 3-3 साल पुराना डेट रखा हुआ है, and they are just hoping that कि someday that money is going to come. कभी नहीं आता है. तो you have to take that decision to keep your books in a right good condition, in a healthy form. Then I think creditor wise also, the way we are treating our debtors, the way we are thinking like, okay, I have to collect my money, make a good practice as a good and a startup or a good practice, that even I will also pay to my creditor on my time. So जो आपने defined terms agree किया है, no matters that कि you should really stretch your creditors to take the best credit period, but that should be on the first place itself when you are dealing and negotiating with him. If you are asking for 30 days, make it 30 days, but please ensure that you should not take one more and a more than 30 days, because you are promising and you are giving that word to you. If you make this practice, I can bet you on that you will have a peaceful mind. लॉट ऑफ टाइम वी आर जस्ट ट्राइंग टू कीप दैट प्रैक्टिस कि ठीक है, नहीं है ना, सामने से पूछ नहीं रहे हैं ना, तो ठीक है, तब तक होल्ड करो. द डे ही इज गोइंग टू अलार्म और द डे ही इज गोइंग टू एस्केलेट, दैट टाइम वी विल से कि हाँ आज करेंगे, कल करेंगे. बट दैट इज गोइंग टू मेक अ प्रैक्टिस टू द टीम, एंड द मोर ethical and good practices you are going to drive from the top, that is going to transmit to your team also. So make a practice, negotiate hard on the terms, but deliver what you are promising to the creditor also. Then only you can expect from your debtor as well. This is your cash flow, and I think today I have tried to make a small Excel sheet also, because I know that a lot of people are new into this. So one Excel sheet I have created, where this formulated sheet will give you some help. So this I will attach in the program. So this Excel sheet will help you to make your own sales trend, your own team trend, or your expense trend, and you can at least analyze and see how you can really work on this. Yeah. So with this guys, I think I'm just giving you a small glimpse of this whole. I'm just trying to mention and giving you this one message, that कि अगर आप डेली बेसिस पे अगर नहीं चेक करते हैं और अगर आप ट्रेंड मेंटेन नहीं कर रहे हैं, try to start this very right from the start. This will help you, this will really help you. And as a lead of the organization, आपका responsibility बहुत important है to really have that understanding of your own business. और जब आपको लोग पूछें कि आपका बिजनेस क्या चल रहा है, आपको पता होना चाहिए, नंबर्स पता होने चाहिए, आपको फिगर्स पता होने चाहिए, परसेंटेज पता होना चाहिए, आपको आपका ईबीटा पता होना चाहिए, आपको आपका प्रॉफिटेबिलिटी, आपके लॉस, आपका ट्रेंड, और हर वो पॉइंट जहाँ पे आपको लगता है कि हाँ मेरे बिजनेस में प्लस और माइनसेस के इम्पैक्ट रीजंस हैं. जिस दिन ये आपको सब चीज़ें पता है, दैट शोज यू आर रियली सीरियस इनटू द बिजनेस. आप सही में एज अ टीम लीड या आप एक स्ट्रैटेजिक मैनेजमेंट टीम की तरह काम कर रहे हो. अदरवाइज आप रोज जा रहे हो और रोज एग्जीक्यूशन की तरह काम कर रहे हो, यू विल नेवर ग्रो, बिकॉज आपका मैक्सिमम टाइम सिर्फ एग्जीक्यूशन में ही इन्वॉल्व होते रह जाएगा. आप सिर्फ वही काम कर रहे हो जो आपका एक मैनेजर कर सकता है. So try to change your mindset, make your approach completely different. और ये सिर्फ mindset है, कई लोगों को लगता है कि हो नहीं पाएगा. डेली अगर आप ये शुरू करते हैं ना, तो हार्डली 15 मिनट्स लगता है, क्योंकि एवरी डे व्हेन यू विल मेक दिस प्रैक्टिस, इट विल टेक हार्डली 5 मिनट्स फॉर यू टू पिक द राइट थिंग फ्रॉम योर रिपोर्ट्स. ये आपकी आदत बन जाएगी. सो आज अगर मेरे सामने मेरी बैलेंस शीट है, सो मुझे हार्डली मुश्किल से 2-3 मिनट लगता है कि कहाँ गैप है समझने में, क्योंकि अब वो सालों की प्रैक्टिस बन गई है. सो यू विल ऑल्सो गेट इन टू दैट प्रैक्टिस. Yeah. So with this, I am opening a QA session. I am changing the mic, so you can also have your Q and a question in this. Yeah. Okay. Software बहुत सारे हैं. नॉर्मली तो लोग टैली यूज़ करते हैं, आप टैली के लिए यूज़ कर सकते हो, लेकिन सेल्स के लिए मेरे पास में एक सॉफ्टवेयर, मैं आपको उसका लिंक शेयर करूँगा. लास्ट टाइम भी मैंने कुछ लोगों के साथ में शेयर किया था. क्या नाम था, मैं ये भी याद नहीं आ रहा मुझे, बट आई ऑलरेडी शेयर्ड विद फ्यू पीपल. आई थिंक दे हैव स्टार्टेड यूजिंग ऑल्सो. आई एम जस्ट चेकिंग इट, और मैं अपने ग्रुप में उसको डाल दूंगा. डोंट वरी अबाउट दैट. ग्रुप में उसका नाम डाल दूंगा, आप उसको यूज़ कर सकते हो. ओके. यस सर. सो नाउ आई एम जस्ट चेंजिंग द सेटिंग, और आप अगर कोई क्वेश्चंस है, सो यू कैन ऑलवेज कम एंड आस्क मी. यप. हाँ जी सर. Any questions? Anyone? जी.
हेलो, गुड इवनिंग सर.
हाँ जी, गुड इवनिंग. प्लीज.
प्रदीप कुमार फ्रॉम गोरखपुर.
जी प्रदीप जी.
सर, उस दिन की मीटिंग में अनाउंस हुआ था कि जैसे एक व्हाट्सएप ग्रुप है कोई, जिसमें हम ऐड हो जाएंगे.
हाँ.
बट अभी तक तो हम अभी ऐड हो नहीं पाए ना, मुझे कुछ इन्फॉर्मेशन मिली है.
सर आपको ईमेल मिला होगा?
नो सर.
आपको ईमेल नहीं मिला?
नो सर।
तो आपको ये लिंक कैसे मिली ज्वाइन करने की?
लिंक तो आया था, लेकिन व्हाट्सएप ग्रुप के लिए कोई
नहीं
इंफॉर्मेशन नहीं है, ना
नहीं तो
कोई
नहीं
मेल
नहीं तो
नंबर आई डी।
नहीं ये मेरा जवाब दीजिए, ये लिंक आपको कहाँ से मिली इस मीटिंग की ज्वाइन करने के लिए?
यस सर।
मेल में आई होगी ना?
मेल में।
हाँ सर, उसी में है। आप शायद मिस कर गए
अच्छा
होंगे, आप प्लीज़ देखिए उसमें लिंक है। अगर नहीं है तो डेफिनेटली आपको मिलेगा, लेकिन हमने 1-2 दिन पहले ही अनाउंस किया था और सबको ऐड भी किया था। आप प्लीज़ एक बार देख लीजिए, हम एक बार फिर से सर्कुलेट कर देंगे। और 1 मिनट होल्ड ही कीजिए ना, मैं आपको अभी दे देता हूँ।
राइट सर।
वेट क्यों किया जाए, कई बार हम लोग पूरा मैसेज नहीं पढ़ते हैं ना, तो मिस हो जाता है। ये है, इसमें आप सिर्फ जाके अपना ये कर लीजिए, ऐड हो जाइए। ओके
ठीक।
जी
ओके सर, थैंक
जी
यू।
जी जी। Okay, sir, any questions about the subject, or in case if we are all done with the subject, so we can also take the your own challenges and your own questions
Sir,
as well.
Kishore here.
Yes, sir, please.
So today I saw that I received the mail and I saw all these 3 links.
Yes, sir.
So one is about today's session. Second one is WhatsApp link,
Correct.
and third one says uh,
Phone
to
directory.
enter our details.
Correct. So, sir, we have
So
created.
that
That I'll share with you. So, what we have done, we have created a one directory kind of a solution where all the people are filling their own individual information, so you people can interact with each other also. है ना? So we have
yeah.
now.
No, I got it.
Yeah.
But I am unable to
Open it.
enter into that sheet. I cannot see that sheet.
Okay. So that should not happen, but we will check it, because otherwise it should not, because that was open
One is I
spreadsheet.
think weekly report that I think from next week we can fill it.
Yeah, that is weekly
From
report.
next Wednesday.
Correct. So
But this personal data,
that is not open. Okay.
yeah. It I have 2 mails.
Fair enough.
So when I click on that, it will show the 2 mails, and I will click on one mail. It says net is not connected.
Okay. Fair enough. So we will try to check it, maybe possibly, because that is a Google spreadsheet. Could be the problem of network, or we will check that why it is not being open. Yeah.
Okay.
We will
And
fix
coming
it.
back to the lessons.
Yes.
So there you said one sheet which we have to take a printout in a A3 or A4 size. That sheet where I will get to take the printout.
That is already in the program itself. If you enter into the program called Transform ID into Business, so there in the one of the option is given as a PDF file, so you can download from there.
Within the session itself we can download, or
yeah, within the session itself. Yeah. So
or can you send it separately, please?
Okay, for you separately, I will ask my team to send it if you are not able to find it. But there are so many other things also you have to go there and download, because all the presentations, all the PPT links, everything is given there. So this is not one of the option. There is a lot of other stuff also you need to.
So it would be helpful for one time if any person is will call me, or I can call them and they can guide me, because I'm not getting that where to click.
No problem. So I will ask. Even I think number is already shared. So that is my number.
No, number is not there.
86. No. The number is there. So I will share the number also. So this is the number 8655009696. So in case if you are facing any challenges for using the program, you can call on this number. They will help you to find the right thing at the right place. Yeah. You can call here and they will help you to guide everything.
Okay. Even that filling also, because few things it may be a bit difficult for us because it's a new thing for us. Seems to be more theoretical and less practical, because I am less knowledgeable.
No problem. So that is the reason we have kept the Sunday practice session. So whatever challenges and options, you are having any obstacles on Sunday, you can always come and get your all clarification on that particular day. That's not a problem. That is the reason this option is key.
And one more suggestion I had, like it would be better you will know our business in the beginning, or when will be that happening? After 90 days or? Sunday
itself. So when we are all this program which we have given to you, so that is all a structured program, and every week we are talking about your idea only. Either it is
Oh,
either it is a vision, or either it is idea or product. So one topic we will try to cover, and we will try to more in detail understand your about your idea.
yes.
Yeah,
Not only idea or problems or
everything,
issues,
everything. Yeah,
so
yeah.
that I think from beginning we can go on
Correct.
filling the gaps and
Absolutely.
fixing the problems.
Correct.
Okay,
Because
thank you.
at one go everything we cannot fix it. So it's better go with the flow. One by one, if we are going, I think we can precisely find the gap also, and we can precisely find the solution also.
Correct.
Yeah.
Now, first, for
Mhm.
example, if we are on the right path or not, that is what yesterday we were speaking about.
Absolutely.
Yeah, so that at least if we can find.
Yeah, because if we want to diagnose, we have to start with the origin.
Yeah.
Okay, so I have attached this Excel sheet also. I think this trend analysis, I was just trying to prepare it, so may you can download it. It will give you some small help to make your own this trend and a practice.
हेलो.
Hello, हाँ जी सतीश जी.
हाँ जी, गुड आफ्टरनून, गुड इवनिंग सर.
हाँ जी, good evening.
गुड इवनिंग टू एवरीबॉडी इन क्लास आल्सो.
Yes sir.
Sir, do you know anything about the free CRM software Bitrix 24? Today when I was just searching, somebody had referred me that this is the best freely available CRM software. It also helps you to create daily tasks and projects, and you can stay connected with your team members also. And not only this software also helps you to create landing pages that can help you to increase your business sales. So I just want to know about your response. Is it really helpful? Should I explore or use this, or you can refer any other CRM software?
Again, it is your no, what is your purpose? Means you just want to handle your accounting part. That is different requirement. And in case if you really have very huge customer base, then of course it is not going to be helpful.
Okay.
So if you have a very limited customer base, if you have a minimum customer line, and the flow of process is not that big, it is good enough to work. I also have I have one more software which I'll share with you, but it is now paid. Earlier it was free, so they have converted into paid now. But for the accounting purpose, that is really good, because it was having a possible chance to integrate with your Tally also. So they are giving a compatibility. So in future, when you really grow well, after 1 year, possibly you can simply
Right.
fetch and get connect with the Tally as well. But the kind of report and analytics with the graphical representations they have given I was really found good. It was going well.
So what's the name of that
I
software?
am not remembering. I have to just check the whole my book again. I will put that name in WhatsApp group. Don't worry on that.
Right.
Yeah.
Thank you.
Yeah. Because I've shared this in a few weeks back, but I don't remember the name now.
Right, sir.
Mm-hmm.
And also, I am waiting for your response. The day before yesterday, I have talked to you regarding that.
I understand. So give me tomorrow max, because today, because of all this COVID, from today the
Sure.
COVID is going
No
start.
problem,
So
sir. Take your own time.
we were all busy for managing all our offices, managing the staff, because from tomorrow everyone will be working from home, and shifting the whole things from office to home. At least we can manage. At least next 15 days we
I
cannot
can
go to that.
understand, sir. Take your own time.
Yeah. So tomorrow possibly we will definitely
Sure,
talk
no
and
problem.
close that.
Thank you.
Yeah. Okay. Yes, sir. Any more questions, sir?
सर, अभी आज आपने जो प्रेजेंटेशन दिया है, इसमें नॉट आई एग्री विद यू दैट वी हैव टू कीप ट्रैकिंग ऑन ऑल द एक्टिविटीज, डेली रिपोर्ट्स. लेकिन अभी सर, बीइंग अ स्टार्टअप, I suppose कि ये everything has to be done by ourselves only until unless we don't have a compatible team with us.
Yeah, of course. See, because at the early stage where business size is also very small, so even you also can simply put few figures in your own sheet. But once this become a practice, वो काफी अच्छा हो, long term के लिए काफी अच्छा हो जाएगा, है ना? क्योंकि in the process of this whole hassle हम भूल जाते हैं फिर ये सब चीजों को धीरे-धीरे.
Yeah, of course, sir. We always try to have a maximum sales, but we forget to try कि हमें अपने expenses का ध्यान रखना है, हमें अपनी daily reports बनानी है.
And especially when we are really going well in our business, है ना? वो तब जब सबसे ज़्यादा भूल जाते हैं कि चलो business तो हो रहा है ना यार.
That time we only try to grab our business as much as we can.
So we start taking that.
Concentrate on our daily reports or expenses.
Correct. तो वो casual बन जाता है. तो एक अगर 5 minutes का daily practice बन जाए, that really helps you a lot.
Right. Thank you.
Yeah. हाँ जी sir. Anyone else?
And sir, in this WhatsApp group, we cannot discuss actually. It's only
See,
admins are.
because in that case it will be really difficult to really, because I am the only one to give you answers, and you have
Oh, okay.
there are so many other people who are
Yes,
going to
yes.
question it.
Around
Yeah,
150 plus.
yeah, and I don't want to have that kind of any miss lead solutions to for you where you are simply typing something and I'm not answering to you. So we have kept that very clear 2 session for the week. I think we should stick on that. Okay. So this group is only for the purpose so we can at least communicate for this all invite link, and if anything specific we want to convey to you, it is always easy because normally people are even missing to check emails also nowadays. So वो
Yeah,
थोड़ा
yeah.
सा वो हो जाता है.
And this
So
Excel sheet where it is in the WhatsApp group.
ये अभी यहाँ पे मैंने अपलोड कर दिया था. Excel sheet जस्ट आई हैव shared here only in the chat box.
Chat box.
Yeah.
Okay, I could
You
not
can-
see.
Okay, I'll upload on the WhatsApp group also.
WhatsApp group would be
Yeah,
better.
yeah.
Here I can see only WhatsApp
हो जाएगा वहाँ पे
link.
बेटा. Yes, yes, we will do that. And also I will upload in the program our hub as well. So from there also, anytime in case if you are missing somewhere, you can get again from there as well.
Okay.
Okay.
Hello.
हाँ जी sir. Go ahead.
There are two WhatsApp groups are going on: Inflow Entrepreneur Group and Idea to Funded Startup. So,
नहीं
in
sir.
which group you are posting these updates?
No, this is Inflow member group.
Inflow.
Because, yeah,
Right.
because this is only a closed circuit group for the members only. That idea group is for the webinar and for the promotional activity.
Right.
Okay.
And one small suggestion I had.
Yeah, please.
This in your regular templates and before and after this in between, why don't you use your logo there to register amongst the members?
Where sir?
Your inflow logo,
हाँ.
you can use it continuously when you start and in all templates, right side corner, and when you sit your background.
अच्छा, in the presentation also. Okay.
Yeah.
Okay. I got your point. Okay, for the branding purpose.
Yeah.
Sure,
Just
sir.
it will get registered unknowingly.
Yes. Agree with you. I'll take this positive information. Yeah. Okay. Please
Adding
share.
value to the presentations, branding.
Branding. Of course. Yeah. Even I need to also keep that in practice. Surely. Thank you for this suggestion. Definitely will do this. Yes, sir. Please share idea WhatsApp group link. Idea WhatsApp. मतलब I didn't get you.
गुड इवनिंग सर.
Good evening. Yeah.
सर वो अभी बात कर रहे थे ना कि 2 ग्रुप्स हैं और एक इनफ्लो वन में तो मैं हूँ, बट द सेकंड वन आई एम नॉट.
Second one is for our promotional webinar वाला जो group है वहाँ से वो
That is for promotional.
Yeah, that's a promotional one.
थैंक यू सर.
Yeah.
ये जो सर आपकी ये प्रेजेंटेशंस हैं, पीपीटी हैं, ये भी अवेलेबल है सर वहाँ पर उस पे?
Which one? जो मैं ये हाँ. Yes. Whatever I'm showing here in this weekly sessions, all this recording and all the presentations are available in our hub. वहाँ पे आप जाके नीचे Wednesday session and Sunday sessions है, वहाँ से आप डाउनलोड कर सकते हैं. Yeah. Okay. Any more questions? Even we can switch. Yeah.
WHO sheet in that
Sorry, sir.
business. What is this WHO sheet? You have asked in the weekly report, na, that have you prepared your WHO sheet?
Who sheet? Who?
Yeah, what is that?
तो उसमें है ना, we have already given this all narration in the program itself. You have to just go through that video. The all details are given in the video. How to fill that sheet, how to make that sheet. Because I don't want to repeat the whole course here again. So,
Yeah.
So it's better if you just go through it. If you find some problem in that, definitely we'll talk about it. Yeah, because it will take long time. Because again, it will be hardly.
Yeah, no problem. I will just see.
Yeah, please. It will be hardly 10-15 minutes video.
That also you have written this 1 minute promotional pitch.
Yeah. So what we suggested that ki all you people are entrepreneurs, you want to either promote your product or pitch, or you want to look for any solutions. So you can make a small 1 minute video where you are narrating and giving all your requirement. So we can place that in our group or maybe in our website also. So because my website is coming and landing almost 6,000-7,000 people every month. So those much of people are going to watch you and your all product and proposition make and give you some good business or good promotion.
Okay.
Okay, so you can take the advantage of it.
Yeah, thanks.
Yeah,
And,
yeah. So once
well,
a few samples also given
you
there how to make it.
mailed me that some ideas regarding that changes in the PPT
Yep.
in my presentation, but
Yep.
I am unable to understand that. I have reverted back to you, but I didn't got any reply from you.
I think last week you mentioned that on Sunday we will discuss about that, if I'm not wrong, right? I suggested that
Oh,
let's come on the Sunday and we will have a one-to-one session on it, because on the
oh,
we cannot explain everything on email because you have given me a lot of things to discuss on. So better if we have a one-to-one session on that Sunday, so we can elaborate and see all the points and we will find all solution on that.
okay.
Yeah, makes sense. Yeah,
Okay.
yeah. Okay.
And what time will get like per
Mm-hmm.
person 1-to-1?
Sir, every Sunday we will be giving you a link with the one option where you can book your slot. So you book your spot and slot. You can have all that option to speak about your business idea, your assignments. We'll have that one-to-one session about that. Yeah,
Okay.
yeah,
That is in between that 11 and 12
yeah, yeah. 11.
Sunday.
So yeah, normally Sundays we do almost for 2.5, 3 hours. So 11 to
Okay.
1. So mostly we are observing that till 1 we are doing it. So you'll get your spot. You can speak at least for 15, 20 minutes easily.
Okay. And
Yeah,
from there, a diagnosis will
yeah. So every
start, I
week,
will.
yeah, whatever assignments you will come with, whatever topic you are going to come with, we are going to discuss about that topic. We will find the gaps in that, solve it, and then we will next move next on the next topic.
Okay. Okay.
Okay.
So, like my point was before we start,
Mm-hmm.
like person like me who is already into business or maybe into a
Mm-hmm.
wrong business. So if you can
Mm-hmm.
discuss with us in advance and then we
Uh-huh.
start our journey with
Okay.
you,
Uh-huh.
I think that would be
Yeah, yeah. So that's not a
more
problem.
better.
So during that all 15 minutes, you can all speak about your all challenges. Maybe you're not feeling right in your existing business, or you want to switch, you want to change. So anything you are coming with, we will discuss on that topic first. No problem.
Okay. Okay.
Yeah, yeah.
Okay. Thank you.
Hmm. Yes, sir. Any more questions? Yeah, Balraj ji.
Yeah, good evening, sir.
Yeah, good evening.
Sir, are we going to get this whatever slides or material you are sharing
Mm-hmm.
over this course? Are we going to get this material in soft
See,
copies?
yeah, everything. So whatever we are discussing here, what all material I am sharing with you, everything is available in the training program. So all you just need to go in a transform idea into business. So all the schedule program is already scheduled there, and in the bottom you have a Wednesday and Sunday sessions. So every week, whatever we discuss, everything is uploaded there. You can watch multiple times. You can download all the presentations and all the brief given here.
Okay.
Yeah.
Thank you.
Okay.
Thank you.
Yeah. Okay. Yes, sir. Okay. Heads of your patience. Business is all about patience. So I always say people that the business, मैं हमेशा कहता हूँ, if you know your assumptions, if you know probabilities, you can become a good entrepreneur. And if you really have a good patience, because in this world, handling a human being is the most toughest part. Rest everything you can manage. And if you get the knack of listening people, you will get understanding of how to deal with them. तो ये तो है इवन बिकॉज इफ यू हैंडल मोर पीपल यू विल अंडरस्टैंड दैट कि हर एक का अपना अपना कुछ ना कुछ चैलेंजेस है एवरीवन टेक्स देयर ओन टाइम टू अंडरस्टैंड एवरीवन टेक्स डिफरेंट इंटरप्रिटेशंस सो ऑब्वियस है फ्रॉम वन साइड यू हैव टू टेक दैट ऑल and you have to really keep that patience also. It's not patience, it's practice. Yes, sir. My wife will not agree with this. For her, I am
Home
the
ministry is always tough.
so when for her I am the most impatient person. Yes, sir. Any more questions? Okay, I think we are already done with our all. If Any specific anything, Anna, those who are new into the team, I think we are all again welcoming you. And I again request, please go through the program first. Start your first week program. You get your you will get your idea to start where to start from, because we don't want only to talk about only your business or challenge and a business and challenges, but we also want to start from the scratch to understand really we are into the right game, and you're right from the vision statement to everything we need to fix from the first step. हाउ कैन वी चेक द ट्रेंड ऑफ मार्केट? सो विवेक जी, उसके लिए तो रिसर्च करनी पड़ेगी. यू हैव टू रियली गो टू द मार्केट. यू आर द पर्सन हु नीड टू मेक योर हैंड्स डर्टी. You cannot expect someone else will do it, but yes, of course you can engage and involve either the research agency, or you can do all your own survey also, and we have given that all methods in our program, how to do small surveys with your own small cost. And even in Facebook also, by just spending around 70-80 rupees per day, you can reach to around 2,000-3,000 people with your post. But yes, you need to really place it well, so people should understand what you are expecting from them. Either you can run a poll, you can make a small post, you can ask about any specific your questionnaire, and you get your answers. This is the process. We simply cannot believe on Google or maybe something is ready available on the social media. Those are not right figures. Even the social media or Google is giving you what it has been placed by the people only. They are not a research agency. वो वही दिखा रहे हैं जो दूसरे लोग वहाँ पे प्लेस कर रहे हैं. So there is no authenticity about it. And if you are ready to spend something, if you are really having a big project, then of course you should find the right people. And before that you should know that कि आपको exactly चाहिए क्या. Because maximum time research agency are also getting confused because the client is not clear what exactly they want about that whole subject. आपको क्लियर पता होना चाहिए कि आपको चाहिए क्या. आपके कंपटीशन चाहिए. आज मुझे चाहिए कि मेरे कंपटीशन का पूरा बैलेंस शीट मेरे हाथ में हो. यू शुड नो दैट. यू विल फाइंड द वे हाउ टू गेट दैट. मुझे जब मैंने मेरा फंडिंग रेज किया था, व्हेन वी वेंट फॉर अ वेंचर कैपिटल, सो आई वाज हैविंग ऑल माय कॉम्पिटिटर्स कंप्लीट 5 years अकाउंटिंग इन माय हैंड, बिकॉज आई वाज नोइंग दैट कि उन्होंने कितना पैसा रेज किया, किस वैल्यूएशन पे लिया, सब लिया. सो आई वाज क्लियर अबाउट कि हाउ आई कैन नेगोशिएट फॉर माय टर्म्स एज वेल. सो थोड़ा बहुत वो आपको समझना पड़ेगा कि आपकी नीड्स एंड रिक्वायरमेंट क्या है. मेथड्स आर देयर. आई थिंक वी आर ऑलरेडी गिवन दिस इन प्रोग्राम एज वेल. यू शुड नो दैट कि आपको ये खुद करना पड़ेगा. यू कैन नॉट बी डिपेंड ऑन अ थर्ड पर्सन.
यू आर राइट सर. मैं एक सजेशन दे सकता हूँ.
यस प्लीज.
मैंने भी सर एक छोटा सा सर्वे करना था, तो आई हैड क्रिएटेड 3 फॉर्म्स ऑन गूगल फॉर्म्स, एंड इट्स फ्रीली अवेलेबल. एंड सर वो मैंने 2 सोशल एक्टिविटी के लिए और अपने एक बिजनेस के लिए किया था, एंड आई गॉट अ वेरी गुड रिस्पांस थ्रू द सोशल चैनल्स.
एब्सोल्युटली.
आई पेस्टेड द लिंक्स ऑफ ऑल दीस 3 फॉर्म्स अक्रॉस ऑल सोशल मीडिया चैनल्स, and I got a very good response. तो उसमें मुझे जनरल आइडिया मिल गया कि what people are looking for.
Yeah, even when I started, सब वैसे ही होता है. Even when I started this webinar program, I was not serious about this business. So I started very casually because मेरा एक social network था, followers थे जो अपने friend circle में थे. So I said कि okay, I am doing this webinar. If you are interested, come for the webinar. Almost 200-300 people came for the webinar. They appreciated कि okay, you are talking sense. You should start this. I started business. Now it has turned to a business now. So during this COVID period, if you get something to earn and make your revenue stream, इससे अच्छा क्या हो सकता है?
Right, sir.
Right. So social media
Google Forms is also a very good option.
Yeah, of course. Which one?
Google Forms.
Google Forms. Yeah, Google Forms is something like that's a tool where you can place, but
just to have a survey tool.
Yeah, but you should know that कि क्या content आपको pass करना है. You should know that कि है ना. Yeah, if you know that.
Unless you are not clear about your own subject, how can you create questions?
But tools are very much available. Even in LinkedIn you can use very well. You can make a good polls over there. Twitters में आप polls run कर सकते हो. So options are there. आप कर सकते हो. Easily मिल जाएगा. And it's not about size. It's about right quality. So सही platform पे करें. Yeah. So choose the right platform and choose the right audience to get your right feedback.
But if we share the link of Google Forms that we have created, how can we choose the audience? How can we choose a
of course. In that case, that you are using as a free option. But if you are ready to even spend 100 rupees per day, that's not a big cost. In that case, you can tag the right audience. You create a good post, and that post you can go to you have to create a business account for that, business ad account. And from there you will just need to boost your ad, and you can tag the right audience by selecting that which kind of audience you want to reach that ad. So that ad will only reach to those specific customer base, and it is not that expensive. Only hardly 7. You can start with 70 rupees per day.
Okay.
Yeah. And you reach
So do we have
you reach to almost if you spend 70,000 rupees, you will reach to at least 2,000 rupees, 2,000 people every day easily.
So do we have to take a monthly or a quarterly package?
Nothing.
Or we can pay on daily basis also?
You can pay on your own convenience, on daily basis, on demand. 70 rupees,
Oh,
simple.
okay.
Yeah, spend 70 rupees and your job is done. If you are not interested to continue for next day, it is all up to you.
So is it with Google AdSense or with Facebook?
No, with Facebook.
Okay.
Google AdSense is very expensive because that is for the long term. If, that is something you need, and that is something for building your credibility on the Google platform. More you are engaged with the customer, more you know your customer, your rating will improve. But Facebook is something reaching to the right audience which you are choosing to reach that. Simple. And they really have a good filter. You can really filter good customer. You can select geography wise, pin code wise, even gender wise, age group wise, even the income appetite wise. If you are looking for HNIs, you can mention that that all specific, that key those who are really high ticket purchaser, the ad will only reach to them. And once you have some customer base, that if you get some customer base, those who are be convert into your consumer base or customer base, then you can make a lookalike also there, that I want people who are matching this kind of a profile.
Okay.
Yeah.
So does Facebook charges on pay-per-click basis, or do they charge randomly?
So
Service?
there are multiple services with them. So there is one where you can simply go for a ad boost, where an ad will go to any random people. One is the traffic building, that is bit low cost, because only your website will be pushed, the customer will be pushed and diverted to your website. And one is lead generation, where if you are creating a lead generation, one Excel form will come to you, that these are the people filled your form. So within the program itself, you have to create that form, and the details will come to you. One is the conversion one, and that conversion is something you can track through a pixel. So Facebook pixel, you have to shoot Facebook pixel, and you have to divert the audience to your web page, and from web page you can collect your confirmation, but the pixels will give you a clear idea where the customer landed, either they filled the form or they reached to your thank you page or not. So that is the tracking mechanism. So but every this tool charge you differently, because every tool does have a different performance criteria.
Sir, I suppose we are very new for this. So I request you to kindly keep us dedicated session for all these activities, sir.
I'll definitely try, but even I am not the expert one in this, because even I learned during this period. But I will, whatever information I have, will definitely try to share with you guys, because digital marketing is too wide and too vast. Yeah.
Sir, I'm from digital marketing background. My firm name is Digimax IT Solutions.
Great.
So definitely I will share my input.
Sure. So Balraj is the right person for this.
I'm Google certified professional, as well as I'm FB this thing.
So hope Balraj, whatever I said last few minutes, it was correct. Yeah.
Yes. definitely I will put my input into.
Sure.
Okay.
So definitely. Thank you. That is
Thanks,
what.
Balraj, we look seriously.
Definitely.
Yeah. So
I will share all my ideas, because I'm from same digital marketing
segment.
background.
Yeah.
And we have developed many platforms.
That's the advantage. So this is what we are trying to create, a community. So if we can help each other in this situation, so obviously it will be really helpful for each other. And of course,
which city you are from?
Yeah.
Ahmedabad.
Oh, great.
Okay, sir. You will be very helpful for us. Okay. Thank you, sir.
Definitely.
Yeah.
So for this only मैं सबको कहता हूँ कि प्लीज़ है ना क्या कहते हैं वो डायरेक्टरी को फिल कीजिए, शेयर योर ऑल इन्फॉर्मेशन, एवरीवन शुड नो दैट which field and which city you are belong from, what all you can contribute here for each other. I think एक दूसरे के लिए आसान हो जाएगा वो.
We all are on right track, sir.
Yes.
And gathering on right track, sir.
Absolutely.
Everybody will be helpful each other.
Absolutely.
And will go so high.
Absolutely.
Raj, you share your expertise with all of us. I'm from
Mhm.
Chandigarh, so I invite you for a Punjabi read
Hmm.
in return.
I'm Punjabi, but born in Amritsar. But since my father got retired into army in Gujarat, so we settled down over there. Otherwise, I have
Oh,
traveled across Mumbai, Pune, everywhere. We got office in Mumbai, Chandigarh as well,
Okay,
Jirakpur.
oh,
great.
okay. Zirakpur.
Okay.
Where is Zirakpur?
He is my franchisee, Atulji.
Okay,
I need to check because just due to lockdown, they are shifted just now.
okay.
Yeah. So what we can do, Pradeep, I will make some whatever basis on my understanding, and may I can share with you if you can just put more input in that, and if you can, if you can join on that session, maybe it will be really helpful and great for all people.
Yeah.
Yeah, that makes sense.
And I think lots of people from army background, you, me, and
Yeah.
sir, it will be good.
Yes. Mm-hmm. So Mr. Shrikant is here from Art of Waste Management. Great. Art of waste management is one of the very important subject nowadays, and I think those who understand how to make money out of waste, they really minted huge. In my circle, at least, I have
Yes.
sensed and seen people. Yeah, that's good, Srikanji. I hope we will understand and learn a lot from you also about how to manage the waste. So we are also into e-waste and e-waste, but we are into electronic e-waste management. But of course, now everything has got stalled. Okay, perfect.
And
Mm-hmm.
my customer profile is very low. How
Mm-hmm.
I deal with farmers.
Uh-huh.
So they stay in very remote areas and they have less access to this FB or
Tech,
websites and all these things.
technology and yeah. So we have to
Yeah, yeah.
we have to
But
find the
even
right
then,
medium for
I
them.
keep seeing FB. I keep seeing ads regarding our agriculture machines
Yeah,
and
yeah.
all.
So, see, nowadays I
But
think agricultural, even the farmers or the young generations are very much available on the Facebook and WhatsApp,
yeah, and even YouTube also.
YouTube
But
also.
still,
Mm-hmm.
percentage may be less. I'm not sure.
But
But
I think WhatsApp could be the best way to reach them. And again, in the Facebook, there is all option where you can create and make your marketing through Facebook, through WhatsApp also.
okay.
Yeah, so there are mediums available because we should know that what is our audience and what is the best medium to reach them. We can choose the right medium and reach them.
Okay, okay.
Yep. Okay. Okay. Any more questions? Hope we are already at 9:05. Okay, so guys, I think if there is no question, we can really call a day. If anyone does have, I'm just giving a last shout to you. Any questions? I hope so. No. Okay. Right, guys. So thank you very much for joining this session. I hope you must have enjoyed this and do well. Take care of your all health, and we'll again meet on Sunday 11 a.m. with all your presentations and details. Yeah. See
Thank
you.
you, sir.
Okay,
Stay
sir.
healthy.
Thank
Keep
you.
smiling.
Sorry.
Take very
Good
good care
night,
of
sir.
yourself.
Good night. Good night. Sorry. Yeah.
Thank
Good
you.
night, sir.
Good
Thank
night.
you.
Good night. Sorry.
Thank you, and good
Sorry.
night.
Thank you, sir.
Thank you. Thank you. I think कुछ बीच में है ना, there was a mix of voice. Someone was saying anything.
Sir, I was just saying thank you. Good night.
Thank you. Thank you.
Take very good care of yourself. Stay
Thank
healthy.
you.
Keep smiling.
बिल्कुल
Enjoy
बिल्कुल.
your Alfonso mangoes.
Always. Thank you. Thank
As we are
you.
still waiting at Chandigarh.
Absolutely. You tell me, I will connect with that person if you really want. We really have a good person. I think Mr. Gadvi. I think he is not here today, but we have a person called Mr. Bhushan Gadvi, and he is into the same business.
So yesterday I had called my fruit importer. He told me that Alfonso mangoes are on the way. Maybe within a couple of days we will get it at
That's
Chandigarh.
why. Of course, वो जल्दी खत्म हो जाएंगे फिर दूसरा मंगा लेना. It seems like you are a foodie person, तो ज़्यादा दिन टिकेगा नहीं वो.
नहीं सर, मैंने एडवांस में बुक किया है वो.
Well, good. Right, guys. Thank you. Thank you.
Thank you. Good night.
Yeah. Thank you. Good night. Good night.
Okay, good night, sir.
Yeah.
Good night,
Thank
sir.
you. Good night. Good night.